Alright, good morning folks. Today is Sunday. I wasn't going to work anymore on the track this weekend, but really don't have anything else to do. And I can't just sit around and do nothing. So, we'll pull this drop axle off today. We'll get the fenders. I know I'm going to get my fenders off. I got to go to lunch with the girls at noon. That's an every Sunday thing. So I'm going to pull this drop out, get the fenders off first, so I can get in there and kind of see what I got going on. And I'm pretty confident that I'm pretty confident that it's going to come off there pretty easy. It's just bolts. If I have to, I'll use the gas wrench. Then I know the bolts will come out then if I use the gas wrench. I'm going to get this drop axle off. I'd love to get the drop axle off this week, today. And then that way, next weekend, I can start working on my fenders. I think about just putting quarter fenders on it. The reason being is I don't necessarily pull a gooseneck a lot, detach. But when I do, I would like to add some fenders. So I'm really trying to kind of engineer something up here. I like the aluminum tread plate, but it's old looking. It needs a lot of polishing and cleaning. I just ain't got the patience. So I'm thinking about, I've already trashed the other side. I trashed that side a long time ago. I'll show you. Okay, it's been about a month or so ago. I trashed that side pretty good. This truck has always pulled a detach, and it may have pulled that one other trailer they got. I don't know, but I got the gooseneck into it whenever I was turning around on my trailer, my fixed neck, and it just peeled it off like a banana. So they're nice. I like them. They look good. I love full fenders as far as the way they look, but they're impractical for me. I don't use a truck. If I had a detach, it would probably make sense for me to have full fenders, of course, because I'd never have anything over my wheels. But I pull mostly a fixed neck, 35-ton fixed neck, and I'm not for sure if I'm going to buy one of those short pits detaches this year or not. I want one. I'm going to eventually, but right now I just don't forecast seeing me buying a 35-ton short pits detach. Not this year coming, not 2022. It'll probably be the next year, and when I do that, I'll probably do a little something different with fenders. Now, me being who I am, I mean, a couple weeks from now, you might see a set of half fenders. I would definitely do half fenders, and half fenders I think I could get away with, especially if I done the low pros where they be setting down a little bit lower and stuff. I think I can get away with that, but we're not getting away with full fenders, so let's get in it. Well. So this has turned into a big old bag of bear nuts, but I'm a-getting it. So I took out these two, got the nuts off of them, and I got the other two off. And then I had to take the tires off of it, and I'm not really excited about that. And I started trying to take these bolts out, and I got up underneath there, and there's all kinds of oil. It's ugh. So anyway, I got mad, got the gas wrench out, and I just cut all the heads off. And now I'm taking my hand saver and my punch, and I'm knocking them out. I got a couple. I'm gonna leave, I think, one or two on each side until I get figure out exactly what I got going on. But I mean, it's got a little bit of rust on it, but I'm gonna put her on there for sale for about $1,200. Shoot, two tires are brand new on it. I get about $1,200 out of it. It's got the controller inside the cab. It ought to be worth $1,200 to somebody. So let's get them bolts knocked out. Okay, just got back from lunch with my daughters. Miss Kay still ain't cleared to be able to go anywhere yet. And made it back here. Well, I got everything torched out and it's ready to hit the ground. The only thing that I have left, well, nothing. I guess let's hook a chain around this thing somehow or another and try to pull on it and see if that will let it release. But it is so sandwich tight in there that it's not dropping. So we're about to give it a little bit of persuade. Not a big fan, I can tell you that. But I got it, I think. I got it out there. Now we can get it on the ground. See, I hooked it back behind the bucket. That gives it that much more strength because the load's closer. And picked it up just fine. Let's see if we can't get it back on the ground and get everything out of the way. So we got this thing out. Wait. Underneath the truck. I gotta get up underneath there and kind of wiggle him out here just a little bit more. So I gotta back the truck out here a little bit. I gotta get up underneath here and take loose all of our valving that lifts the axle up. And I gotta block off a couple of things where they had tied in somewhere underneath there. They've tied into our brake system, and right there's the reason why that wouldn't come loose. When they welded this bracket to the truck, they welded it to the frame. Had a little spot weld on it, so. All right, let's get up underneath there and get that stuff took loose. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We got all the stuff off the tractor. I think I got a shot of everything off of it. It looks kind of creepy looking right now. I got a lot of frame. I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot of frame holding or shining right there. So I'm gonna take the hydraulic tank off and I'm gonna put it on the side of the frame. And I thought about building me a set of half fenders. I found a set of aluminum tread plate half fenders. They're like $300 a piece without brackets. I can make my own brackets. Bracket kit's probably just about as much as a fender is, but I'll make my own brackets. Plus I can reuse the 2 brackets that's already on the tractor. I can reuse them. So the other 2 is toward the cab. I'll have to cut them off. May have to, I don't know. But if not, I can modify and make that stuff work. So we got the tractor done today. We got a friend of mine with TCG, I think it's TC, SRG, I think it's SRG Excavating, Travis Yu, he's looking at buying him a drop axle. I sent it to him. He's got a tandem axle Volvo truck, and he needs a drop for it. So sent him. He said he wants it, so he's supposed to come up the end of the week and pick it up. If not, then I got another guy that we're working. Met him when we was up there working in Wyoming County. He said he hinted around like he needed it. I said, well, if this guy don't take it, you the next one in line, old buddy. So it's a good drop axle. It don't fit what I need. So, I took it off. I'll never use it. If I need anything to haul anything that heavy, I'll just go get one of Mark's other tractors and use it. Anyway, I want to try to fix the truck up. It's got some rust on the frame that I wasn't really aware of. I knew it had a little bit of rust on the frame, but I wasn't aware of the severity of some. So it's not like it's going to break in half tomorrow, but I am going to get it fixed. It's just going to prolong the process a little bit. So I guess the next thing that I need to do is I need to get some material to make me a catwalk behind the headache rack so I can get on it and set my chains. I need to either make some brackets or probably just go ahead and buy maybe a new tank. I may reuse that tank. The fittings that come out the bottom of it have kind of got me in a bind there because I don't know if it'll work. Because if it's not below the air tanks, I don't care, but I got to be careful with where my tank positioning is on my frames that don't set so low. So I'll either reuse that aluminum tank or I'll buy another steel tank and just mount it on the side of the frame on the passenger side. The driver's side, I'll probably put a toolbox or I'll just put me a ladder. I got a couple of steps that you go up, and that way I can get up the side of the truck. Like I said, I'll probably put them aluminum half fenders on the back. That'll make her look nice, and then put me some paint and stuff on it. I'll get by a few years with the old tractor, and I'll buy me another one. And it'd be nice to find a set of bogies, Chalmer rubber block suspension, cut the frame off, and then roll them right up against the back of the cab and weld them in and make me a dump truck out of the truck. So it's a long way down the road from that. So I got our culverts loaded up, fuel's in both trucks loaded up. So the only thing we got left in the morning is put some straw blankets on the wagon, and then we got to stop at the gas station and get gasoline in one truck and probably some diesel in this one. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I don't know if it's even interesting. Y'all may have already fast forwarded, but we're going back to work tomorrow. Definitely Monday through Thursday. It looks like Friday it's going to rain. I don't know for sure, so I'm hoping to get a little better footage for us up there. Thank y'all.